Hello everybody, my name is Hedley Quintana and I will actually show you a nice R package that handles actually Twitter information. Really, yes, there is a package in R in order to handle Twitter information. This package is called the Twitter, and it's spelled here in R. Actually, you have to be careful with the case and so on. Like Twitter, but that the last R actually is a capitalized. Something like this. Something like this. This is the name of the package, Twitter. And this package allows us to explore different aspects of data extracted from Twitter. This includes metadata, information of followers, and so on. In order to show you how to manipulate the Twitter package, the first thing that you have to do, otherwise you're not able to handle this kind of thing, you have to have a developer account in Twitter. You have to create a new developer account in dev.twitter.com. You have dev.twitter.com, and after you enter your prompt to create a new developer account. I already have one, and after you have a developer account, then actually you have to go to apps.twitter.com, and in apps.twitter.com you must create an app. Let's actually do a demonstration how to create an app. Oh, it takes forever. Okay, then actually you fill the different obligatory parts, and you read and actually do a checkbox in the agreement, and you create your new Twitter application, and you create a new app, a Twitter app. After you do that, you will have something like this. That is actually your Twitter apps. I will not open it because for security reason I cannot do that. But if you open it, there will be some tab that have information on tokens and these kind of things. And if you open that Twitter account, Twitter app, you have to create a new token for that, and you will have a combination of 4 different things. That is actually the API key, the API secret, the API token, and the app access token secret. You have all of the 4 different information after you open your new app and create some tokens for that. And with all of these things, then actually you can enter into R and actually give this information in order to install this Twitter package. There are a lot of ways to install this Twitter package. This is a very fancy way using the GitHub install, but to make the life easier, let me show you the thing that I did. First, I am in a Linux computer. This is a Ubuntu 16.04, and in this I have installed R. It's a very tricky to install actually in Ubuntu like system, but you manage to do that. And after you install R, you have R installed, and when you have the R installed in the terminal, you use actually run the command R with capitalize, and you enter into the R console. If you put Ctrl R, you actually clean the console, and you can actually have the default install package. And you in the install package, actually in quotation mark, you write Twitter like this. This is the correct spelling. However, I have already installed that package, and I have to put installed package actually, and have to be can actually demonstrate that it is already installed. Sorry, Twitter, and I have to put something like this. No, this function actually is to know actually if Twitter is actually installed. And if I do this, actually it's true. I have installed Twitter, and the only thing that I need to do is do this thing that I have to authenticate in order to use that. with my key, secret, and token and whatever, this 4 argument into the function setup Twitter auth. I usually both these 4 arguments, and this thing actually should run. I will not show my keys in. However, I will do something like source. Is a and I put Twitter. Actually, I already have stored that information in this text file, and if I do run it, actually I am this actually is the thing that you will see in the authentication. I say no, and voila, I am already using Twitter, and I have all the function of Twitter because with this script that I made, I have first I open the library and then actually look the function to authenticate myself in. Sorry, where am I? For authenticate myself in Twitter using this setup Twitter function, and I am in Twitter right now. This person that you see here, I am blocked by this person because it looked like I am an evil troll according to that person. This is Steve Shice, who is a very prominent YouTuber and feminist, and say that everybody who disagree with him, he block it. And it should be. But I can use Twitter to know actually how many people this person is following, and how many followers do he have, and who are these followers. I have all of this information actually using this magic package. So I have to look for my vignettes, and I can actually create a new user using the function get user, and in quotation I have to know the name of that person. In that case it's Steve Child. I just can copy paste this. I don't need to do it, but I will do it because I am a bit stubborn, and I will create a new Steve object here. Wow, Steve object, and I put get user. I could use the autocomplete in R, and in quotation I wrote the name of this person, and voila, I have a Steve shape object. In order to get, for instance, the number of followers this person has, I can use the function. I use the $, and then actually get follower count. I can do this. I can do Steve $, get followers. The autocomplete doesn't work very well with the $. Followers count with open and close parentheses. You have this English Spanish thing, and you have actually 2,299 followers. If I do the use and get friends, actually I can know actually who is he following, and I put some parameter 1000, and I use the length function, because the length function is a very cool function that allow me to know how many how many people is this person following. No, it take a while because I do some calculation and so on. I actually do it before, and it was 930 something. I don't remember the exact number. In order, actually can actually open a new terminal. It will take a while, and actually look my own name. Actually, it is something like source, and I can actually open here Twitter, and I put no, and I have access to Twitter, and I can create a new user, like it's called Headley, it's my name, and I put get user, and in quotation I put Headley Quintana, which is my name, in lowers. This case is important, and I create my own profile. Yes, here it is, 936 is number of friends, but I will use it with my own name. It will be something like $, get followers count, and I have a very few followers, and I have very small use. I am not an eminence like this Steve Shice. This is Sargon of Akkad. I can do the same for Sargon of Akkad, and I can just copy paste his name. I will just close this one. I actually take it because it take a while, and I let me try to do a Sargon object. I put get user, and I actually count how many person is he following and how are his friends. I do this. I create a Sargon object, and I can use, of course, this information you can have it in the actual Twitter page, but now you can actually using actually R in order to get this information. With the Sargon object, it will take a while, and I can actually analyze this information. Of course, this information is already there. I think, yes, it's something like, oh, take forever. It's following 447. 441 actually is the one that count according to Twitter, the Twitter package. I believe more, actually probably believe more the information from the website, but there are some discrepancies once in a while, but it's not so far away. Of course, I put this function because here I will get the number of if I don't do this, actually I want the actual count of people who are is he following. I can actually reduce the thing to 10, the first 10 counts, and we have this is following to these persons. That includes Mr. Amos G, that is a prominent YouTuber, and the Huffington Post, and the Huffington, I'm not sure, I think it is the Huffington Poland or whatever, but actually can have this information. I think I can have the latest tweets, I think, somewhere I have it here. I can actually get his favorites using the function get favorites, and have some favorites, or his latest favorites, using this interesting function, and you will actually have this HTTP, these actually short-term links from Twitter. I take forever to load. Yes. Yeah, this is the Syrian girl that have this story, and he actually is her latest tweet that he's actually referring to, and do a lot of other things using these functions. You see these double brackets actually represent that this is a list object in R, and so on. I can have other kind of information using this function. I can have information related to the this actually list to data frame, actually converts the information from the tweets and its metadata into data frames. That is very interesting to have, and it actually help to do this kind of sentimental analysis and this kind of cool things. I will give the description of this package in this video, but just to know, actually it's a very cool tool using R. And okay, I show this little tour, and I actually wish you luck, and I would like to see your comments after I finish doing this video. Thank you a lot of